Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing an easy side dish called Mississippi Mud Potatoes. I'll be starting off with a half of a cup of mayonnaise and a half of a cup of sour cream. And I'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Once those are stirred together, they get added into roughly 6 cups or 2.5 pounds to 3 pounds of potatoes that I've roughly diced up. The next thing to go in are the white and light green parts of 4 sliced green onions, 2.5 cups of freshly shredded cheddar cheese, and then finally 4 slices of bacon that I've gone ahead and cooked up and roughly diced. Once everything has been mixed in and combined with the potatoes, it gets transferred into a well-greased 9 by 13 inch casserole dish. After the potatoes are evenly spread out in the casserole dish, it gets covered with aluminum foil, and it's now ready to go into a 375-degree oven where it's going to bake covered for 45 minutes. Alright, the potatoes have been in the oven covered for 45 minutes, and I've gone ahead and taken them out, given them a quick stir, and now they're going to go back into the oven at 375 uncovered for the next 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are cooked all the way through and the top starts turning a light golden brown. Once the potatoes came out of the oven, I allowed them to sit on the counter for about 10 minutes just to allow them to cool down a little bit. Today I'm serving it alongside some roasted chicken and mushrooms, and I've gone ahead and garnished it with the dark green parts of the green onions that I've added in earlier. So now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out and see what I think about it. I really like these potatoes. They have absorbed all the flavor from the mayonnaise and the sour cream, so they now have a nice little tang to them. Most of the cheese kind of caramelized on the bottom of the pan, and I went ahead and broke it up into these nice crunchy little cheesy bits and sprinkled them across the top. Overall, I really do like this dish, and I would definitely make it again. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.